I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2011 Honda Fit 1.5 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the starter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a 1/2 inch pipe I use to extend my 3/8 ratchet, and two different length 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, a short 3/8 extension, 14mm wobble socket, 17mm socket, 12mm socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, 10mm wrench, anti-seize, dielectric grease, cup type oil filter wrench, and a battery terminal cleaner. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a Denso starter. Okay, so first I'm going to be disconnecting the negative side of the battery terminal. So the starter is located on the front of the engine. So I'm going to be using a swivel socket 14mm with an extension to remove this top bolt. So now we're going to be going under the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this oil filter so I can get access to the starter. So I'm going to be removing this dipstick tube. So removing this bolt, so I'm going to pull it out from the top. So I'm going to be removing this electrical connector. I'm going to be removing this lower starter bolt. Okay. So we're back at the top. I'm going to be removing these two bolts that bolt the wire harness to the engine. Okay, so we're disconnecting the starter wire. So removing the starter. Okay, so before we put the starter on, I'm going to be removing this bracket. Just push this tab, slid it off. This is your main battery wire. So I'm going to be putting on my starter. Okay, so now I'm going to be connecting my starter wires. So I'm going to be connecting this starter wire. Put some dielectric grease. Bolting up the wire harness. Okay, so we're back underneath the vehicle. So I'm going to be putting on the bottom bolt for the starter. Putting some anti-seize on my bolt. Okay, so now we're going to be going back on the top to put the top bolt on. So I'm going to be putting some anti-seize on my bolt, my top bolt. Okay, so I'm going to be tightening up my bolt. Tightening the bottom bolt. Connecting this electrical wire. So I'm going to be putting back my oil filter. Tightening it up. So I'm going to be installing the dipstick tube from the top. So bolt it up. Installing the oil filter. So I'm putting back my dipstick. Okay. So I'm going to be connecting my battery using my battery terminal cleaner. So tightening it. Okay, so now I'm going to start up the vehicle. So make sure you check your oil level. If it's low, just top it off and you're good to go. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.